Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK. So in the previous video we have seen what is the use of select command and select keyword and from keyword, and in this video we are going to see what is the use of distinct keyword in SQL. Okay, so distinct is the very important keyword to fetch the unique records from table. So there is the two main important rules of the distinct keyword. So distinct keyword help us to fetch unique records from the table, and distinct keyword does not allow duplicate values when you are fetching the table. So we will see one example. Suppose I have write the query select star from, and I have already created this table. I will show you the table execute. So in this table, as you can see, so there is the two duplicate employee names in this table. So one is the RK, next is RK, and then there is CS, and again there is a CS. So as you can see, there is a four employee names whose names are repeated in this table. So RK is two employees, RK, and CS and CSI is two employees. So okay, so I only want those employees whose names are different. Okay, I don't want the repeated names in the employee name. So what I can do at that time? So at that time you can use select distinct keyword. So what distinct basically does? Distinct removes duplicate names or duplicate values in this column. So I will select specific column name, that is employee name, from the table name. Okay, so what it will basically does, it will select distinct employee names. Okay, so distinct means it will not allow the duplicate names in this query. So it will remove the duplicate. Suppose it will take only one RK, one CS. Okay, from career chats with RK table. Okay, and I will execute this table. So as you can see, distinct keyword removes one CS and one RK from the table. Why? Because as you can see in this table, there is the two duplicates are there, or the two same names is there. So basically remember that distinct fetch unique records and distinct not allow duplicate values. Okay, so this is the main two uses of distinct keyword in SQL. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe for the channel, and thank you guys.